Hi guys! Welcome to another travel series in Romania.
In today's episode, we reach the Bran Castle area and get to check in our villa accommodation. Stay tuned as we quickly give you a tour around. We hope you'll enjoy this video.
And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Welcome to Brașov. Come over. So here we are right now in Brașov in Romania, and we checked in here at the Bran Chalet, and this is our room. So as you enter, you will see right away here on the left side is a wardrobe, which we haven't used at all. We just took some hangers to hang clothes to put it outside, and right away towards that is the bathroom. It's a very standard bathroom, so excuse that because it's a bit messy, we just used it. And then towards here on the right side, right away you will see the bed. We have a bed and a sofa bed over there. And over here is the TV and a mirror and a desk.
I got you!
Yes.
Elijah, what did you get? Dinosaurs? Wow.
And then here is a couch and a table. And the best part is when you exit this room towards the balcony, this is the view that you will be getting. The Bran Castle straight from our balcony. So as you all know, the Bran Castle is also known as the Dracula's Castle. So we're gonna be going there later, but for now, enjoy the view. So that's it for us here at the Bran Chalet. See you on our next video.
We are checking out of the hotel slash villa here at the Bran Castle, and we're gonna make our way to the Bran Castle itself now. So let's go to the Bran Castle. We hope you enjoy watching this video. Remember to share it, give us a like and comment below. And if you love watching our videos, kindly click that subscribe and bell icon above. Thanks, and see you on the next one.